What are the hardest backlinks to go after? Are they .edu? Are they .gov? Let's start with those first. So a while ago, I started seeing that a few of my competitors were generating a bunch of .gov and .edu backlinks. And it looked like they were taking advantage of the student discount and employee discount pages. So check this out, guys. If I search site:/.gov discounts, we're gonna get a bunch of different resources here of employee discounts for people that work in specific states. So right now we're looking at the Indiana State Personnel Department. We have some state employee discounts, and this is just a list of websites that are offering discounts to this specific group of people. Very, very interesting. And if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, we have this resource right here. So you want to offer a discount, we can click into this and we can find out more. Now, some states will have specific requirements, other states will not, right? So definitely check that out. And the crazy thing is that we can do this exact same thing with .edu domain. So if I do site:/.edu and I type in student discounts, we're then gonna also get a variety of different results here. So if I click into this one, for example, we're again gonna get a pretty long list of resources of people that are offering discounts to this university and getting a backlink in exchange. And then right here we see, want to be listed on this page, fill out this online form. Takes us to a Google form. Pretty simple to fill out. Now, a couple of things here. Is this the most ideal backlink ever? Well, considering that the ideal backlink is an in-content link from a high authority and highly relevant website, then obviously no, right? We're being listed with a bunch of random websites. However, is it important to have in our repertoire of backlinks a bunch of high authority .edu and .gov domains? The answer is yes, so I highly recommend you guys check this out. By the way, guys, I covered this exact link building strategy in my course. You guys can go to courses.jama.io to pre-order it right now. The last thing I want to say about discounts is that this can apply to almost any online community, any online space. So think of a group of people that are collectively using a product or service like yours. Search for that online community in that space and then check their resources or their partner pages. Once you see that they're listing relevant resources and partners, reach out to make that connection and see if they'd be interested in getting a discount for everybody in their community. All right, guys, let's talk about another strategy that I think most of you guys are not doing. So what's the biggest problem in the link building space? The biggest problem is trust. When we reach out to random websites that have never heard of us, they don't trust us. And what happens as a result? They're going to charge us for a link. So who actually trusts us? Well, our clients and our users do. So think of the users and the clients that have already used your product, have already used your service, and have told you that they loved your product. This strategy is really powerful because if people have had a good experience with your product or with your service, they're definitely going to be more than willing to collaborate with you on a guest post or on some type of partnership that could get you a link. So that list of clients that you have is actually a much more powerful list than any list of potential backlinks you can find online. These people already trust us, so they're going to be a lot more receptive to our emails. And now, guys, imagine a world where people have an incentive to post our backlink on their website. Well, that world actually exists, and it's called an affiliate program. Affiliate programs are a win-win for both parties, and they'll get you some really high quality links from relevant websites, because only relevant websites will be eligible for your affiliate program. So I recommend investing in doing some manual outreach, trying to find new affiliate partners, because not only is this good for sales, but it will also generate some very high quality backlinks. And for those of you that have stayed till the end of this video, I want to give you guys an extra .edu backlink opportunity. And this is a two-parter. Number one, within a university, there's a lot of different departments. Many of these departments are going to have specific pages where they list a bunch of relevant resources. If you see that your website is a good fit for that university department, then I highly recommend reaching out and asking to be placed on that resource list. The second thing is, if you're hiring someone or you're looking to hire someone right out of university, think about that department that they might be coming out of, right? Which university department are they going to be graduating from? Because that same department could have a page very similar to this one. So check this out, guys. We're looking at a university in the UK here, and we're talking about a university major focused on languages. And if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, this is a huge page full of resources that are talking about different internship opportunities, volunteering, create your own work experiences, and all the way down at the bottom, finding a job. And then we have a list of employers who recruit graduates, right? These aren't actually links, but there's plenty of pages like this that will link out to real companies. So send an email, tell them about your company, ask to be placed on this page, and tell them that you'd love to hire a graduate from this university. I've seen this work quite well recently, so definitely give this one a try. Okay, guys, I've shared enough secrets with you guys today. Go pre-order my course. I'll see you guys in the next one.